G'day, Jonathan here, Hyworth Forklifts. I've got here a new Hyworth Walkie Reach forklift. I just want to do a quick demo and just show you through some of the key features. You don't actually need a forklift license, so these are really popular in warehouse applications and as you can see here, in a tight space. So I'm just going to show you some of the key features of this particular machine here. First thing you're going to see here is that it's got electric power steering, so it's really light, really easy, and yeah, super comfortable to use. The next thing, I'm just going to show you just how smooth it is to operate. So I'm just going backwards really slow there, and you can just see how quiet it is and nice and smooth. I'm going to go in the forward direction now. Okay, see how it stops by itself. I don't actually have to physically engage the brake. It just stops by itself. You also see when I let go of the accelerator, there's a little click there, and that's the automatic park brake that just comes on automatically, so it just pulls up by itself. Now, I just want to also show you some of the hydraulic features here. So if you have a look here on the handle here, all the hydraulic controls are all fingertip controls. So I've got my up and down buttons here. These are all variable speeds as well. Now, this is the reach function here, so I'm just going to come around so you can see that, but if you can see there, I've got the reach function there. All right, and I'll pull the reach back in. I can also tilt and side shift. Side shift is there, and this is my tilt function here. Okay, now the other thing that is very unique about this machine is it can work in a very tight space. So what I want to show you here is just two of the key features that make this forklift stand out. The first one is, normally when you operate these machines, you can't use it unless the handle is in that middle position, okay? You'll see here it goes forward and backwards, but if you're in a tight space and you want to get in further, you've got this little button right here. It's like an override button that overrides the brake. So if I actually press that button in and I drive, I can actually stand up really close to the machine here as I'm driving in and also coming back out. So it just means that if I'm really tight for space here and I can't get this handle down in a safe position, I can actually press this override button over here to do that. Now the other unique feature about this machine is called Moonwalk. Moonwalk is this little button here, and what that is, normally when you're trying to line up a pallet, normally you're standing from the side here, you line it up, you get where you want to go, and then you want to drive into your racking, but you have to drive in straight, you have to straighten up your wheel. If you've got a wall that is really close to you and it's really tight, you normally can't get around here because you might be hitting this wall, okay? I'll just come back here to simulate that. I might have to come back to straighten up and I can't do it because there's a wall. So what we do, we press the Moonwalk button here, and when I press that, what happens is that drive wheel now is dead straight, and I can actually stand to the side of the machine and I can actually drive into my racking there, pick my pallet up. And what that effectively has done is they've just bought me about a metre of extra space because I'm not actually having to stand over here now. I can stand from the side of the machine and I can actually see my pallet and my forks a lot better now. And then you can go forwards, pick up your pallet, pull it back in, and you can come back out. And then once you're done, you just press the Moonwalk button again right here. Okay, and that will now be facing me. And if you see as I come out, I've now got the steering control again like that. So yeah, so that's one of the unique features of this machine. The other thing is it's got a big, large capacity battery. This should last you a full day. And yeah, it's a really popular machine in the warehouse sector. It's got the safety screen. You don't need a forklift license, and super easy to use. So if you want to go to hyworthforklifts.com.au, you can check out the information. Thank you.